Hello 5th class. Today I will explain you important latitudes and the heat zone of the earth. Most important latitude is equator. It is 0 degree and equator divides our earth into two hemispheres. It is our equator 0 degree and upper part is northern hemisphere and the lower part is southern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere, important latitude is Tropic of Cancer. It is at 23 all 1/2 degree north because it lies in the northern hemisphere, so we call it in north. And look, it is our Tropic of Cancer, and after it on the same degree in southern hemisphere there is Tropic of Capricorn. Most important is equator, but these are also important latitudes of our earth. Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere 23 all 1/2 degree north, and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere it is also 23 all 1/2 degree south. Next, in the northern hemisphere, Arctic Circle. It is at 66 all 1/2 degree north, and on the same distance in the southern hemisphere, Antarctic Circle. It is Antarctic Circle. When you visualize it, you will make it as a circle. Its degree also 66 all 1/2 degree south. In the chapter, I have already explained you about these important latitudes, but in today's activity you will do these important parallels or latitudes. In the northern hemisphere, the top part is North Pole and the most lower part is South Pole. These were our important latitudes. First, equator 0 degree, and in the equator divides our earth, like it is our earth. Equator divides our earth into two equal parts. Upper part is northern hemisphere and the lower part is southern hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere, most important latitudes are Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle and North Pole. And in the southern hemisphere, most important latitudes are Tropic of Capricorn 23 all 1/2 degree south, Antarctic Circle 66 all 1/2 degree south, and South Pole is 90 degree. At the top 90 degree, and North Pole is also at the top 90 degree. Now I will explain you heat zones. There are major three heat zones. First, torrid zone. This yellow part is torrid zone because it receives vertical rays of the sun all year, throughout the year. And next is temperate zone. Here is also temperate zone. In the northern hemisphere, we call it north temperate zone, and in the southern hemisphere, we call it south temperate zone. And in the last, freeze zone. Look, these purple colors are freeze zone. Freeze zones they receives a lit rays of the sun only throughout the year. In northern hemisphere we call the freeze zone north freeze zone, and in southern hemisphere we call it south freeze zone. It is our equator and 0 degree. Equator is 0 degree. From equator in the northern hemisphere 0 degree to 23 all 1 by 2 degree is our northern temperate zone या north temperate zone. We will point out it with north. And same degree 0 degree to 23 all 1 by 2 degree S means south is our also torrid zone. It means torrid zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Next is our temperate zone. In the north temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. See, this light green part is our north temperate zone. We can say north temperate zone lies between 23 all 1 by 2 degree north to 26 all 1 by 2 degree north. And in the southern hemisphere it lies same degrees but in S means south, in the south. And next is freeze zone. Freeze zone lies between 66 all 1 by 2 degree to poles in both hemisphere. But in northern hemisphere we call it north freeze zone because it lies between 66 all 1 by 2 degree north to north pole. And in the southern hemisphere we call it south freeze zone because it lies between 66 all 1 by 2 degree south to south pole. These purple parts are freeze zone and these light green parts are temperate zone. In southern hemisphere south temperate zone, and in northern hemisphere no temperate zone and torrid zone. This yellow part is torrid zone. We call it only torrid zone, not in north torrid zone, south torrid zone, because it lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn and its middle part is equator. It is called torrid zone because it gets direct sun rays, like it is our sun. Torrid zone receives direct sun rays from the sun throughout the year. And no temperate zone is temperate because it receives the slanting line of rays, slanting rays of the sun as. And freeze zone. Freeze zone is the most freeze part of our earth. It receives only few rays of the suns because it lies very far from the sun. These freezes areas are extremely cold because the rays of the sun very much slanting here and hardly rise above the horizon. Now here for practice I am making like this, and you will also make middle of the earth this line, and this line called a circle because it is around our earth. It is equator. It is at 0 degree, and with the help of equator, our earth has divided into two equal parts. Upper part is northern hemisphere. It is our northern hemisphere, and lower part is southern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere, all latitudes are called northern latitudes, and in southern hemisphere, all latitudes are called southern hemisphere. Like here, first of all, we draw our Tropic of Cancer. It is lies on 23 or 1/2 degree north, and here is Tropic of Capricorn. It is also 23 or 1/2 degrees south. Because it lies in south, so it is called south, and Tropic of Cancer lies in northern hemisphere, so it is called north. Next is Arctic Circle. It is at 66 all 1/2 degree north, and here in southern hemisphere, Antarctic Circle, same degrees, 66 all 1/2 degree south, because it lies in Antarctic Circle, and this is our South Pole. This flat part is South Pole, and this uppermost part North Pole.